Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to learn a couple of simple Excel tricks to remove grid lines from a specific area on your spreadsheet. Right, so suppose let's say this is the area from where you want to remove the grid lines. One way is to go to Home tab and merge the cells. So once you click on the merge icon here, so the grid lines are removed and you get a box without grid lines, right? But this is one huge cell, merge cell. Suppose let's say you don't want to merge the cell. Is there a workaround? So for that you can go to Home tab, click on this fill icon and fill it with white, right? But one problem here is, as you can see on the edges the grid lines are broken. So how to fix that? Again, select the area, right? Go to borders. So if you scroll down, there's something called line color. Under line color you can select this particular light gray background 2 color because this matches with the grid line color. So click on that. Again, go to borders and click on outside borders. So once you do that, you get this area without grid lines, and the broken grid lines are also rectified and the cells are also not merged. So it's all individual cells, right? So yeah, hope you liked it. Thanks for joining. I'll see you in the next video.